All right, it's been 2 weeks on the Chilean Merlot wine kit here, and she's been gurgling and bubbling away like crazy. It's time to rack it into another container. We're going to get a sample of it, see where it stands in the alcohol department here. We're going to put the wine thief in there, and we're going to get going on this one, and we'll see what we can get, what this comes out to be here. We got the sanitizer ready, the wine thief ready, everything ready to go. So let's get a reading on this. Very violent fermentation in there. So here we go with the Merlot wine racking. We hope it fits in here. There's no thing. Ay, ay, ay. That's the center. Trying to hold it steady so it don't come off that boot. Oh, came off. Stupid thing. Stupid fermenter. I'm just going to go down into the least and say screw it. I can't hold this like this.
I'll hold it.
You can't. Can't even get there. There, it's on it again, I think. Next time it comes off, it stays off. It's just a little bump there. Hence a valve. But this is not all going to fit in here. I got a feeling. So this is the first racking of the Merlot. It came in at 994. 0.994. It finished that nice and dry. So here's a sample on it. Smells good. Well, really alcoholic. And we're just about full here. We're not going to get the whole amount of this. The wife didn't know that when she bought this bigger carboy.
I have a 1 gallon jug. I'm gonna go get it.
And I'm just going to shut her down.
Wait till I come back.
Huh? Don't work that way. Here comes the lovely the sanitizer coming out. Oh, I don't want to overfill this. And it's still fermenting, so I'm going to stop it right there. And I still probably overflowed it. And there's more in here. We're going to transfer it to another jug. Don't want to waste it. So this is still fermenting, and we have to get another gallon jug to put it in. Why wouldn't I? I don't want to waste it. That's what's left in the 6 gallon carboy. 5 gallons of Chilean Merlot wine is in this carboy. We just got the dress on it, and she finished at 0.0994, down from 1084. We'll do the math in a minute. Here's an extra gallon. So you keep it in the dark. So she's going there. We put the potassium sorbate in there, and we'll be bottling this in a couple months. We don't rush our wines. So let's take a look at what the ABV will be on this. Now let's figure out what this ABV is. We started at, let's see, 1.084 minus 0.994 equals times 131.25 equals 11.81% ABV. And that's good enough for me. So we'll let this 5 gallons and 1 gallon sit here for another month and a half, as it clears and finishes up, and we'll go to bottle. Why wouldn't we? We got enough in the basement, but I guess we want more. How you doing?